This is the Saramonic TC-NEO. It is a timecode generated device with high precision accuracy, as they labeled right here. Look at that. 0.05 per less than 1 frame drift for 48 hours. So if you want to sync your audio and video in a very easy to use way and not have to worry about it desyncing, this is a great device. I also have the DD ones and the tentacle sync version. So I do want to do a comparison of all three, so let me know what questions you have down below. But we're going to just show you what's in the box today, and then we'll do a more long-term test. The one I do like about these Saramonics is it comes in a charging case, like an AirPods case, so it's easier to travel with. Make sure all three are charged. Whereas like the Deity and the... Oh, look at that. This is the AirPods case. You plug it in one port, and you can charge all three at the same time. Like, that's huge. Whereas the DD ones, they're just, you have to plug 3 devices, and that's just a lot of things to plug in. So it's a lot of charges you got to carry, a lot of cables. One cable, one charger. You have 3 colors, so you can color coordinate each device. I've got the Velcro here so it can snap on. The charging ports are covered, obviously for transit. Slide that on there. Ooh, there we go. Saramonic TC-NEO. These ones also have screens. The Tentacle Sync does not have screens, but the DD does. Velcro here is already pre-installed. You've got controls here, a little knob to turn, a button to turn it on and off. It looks like it might have scratch audio here as well. The timecode out, USB-C, so you can probably charge and get data as well, potentially. Let's pull all these charging covers off. Okay, so now they're charging in the case. Looks like the case holds charge as well, so that's really cool. USB-C right there. It looks like it's 3 bars. Saramonic. This just obviously does increase the size of the things you need to carry, but it improves the convenience. So it's a trade-off. Bigger size, more convenient. Now, a downside here is now you have these other accessories you need to carry with you. So this would install on your camera. There's different versions here. It looks like we have that variation. So you have 3 of each variation. Square version, and then a hot shoe that's actually tighten and loosenable. This one seems to be a mountable variation. I don't know. These are the differences between the two. So that's kind of what they look like. Now inside we got a little manual discussing how it all works. We all know no one reads those. It comes with a carrying case here. Ooh, this is nice to actually hold the case, as well as all the cables. So if you have a Sony FX3, the type of cable that you need is a multi-adapter. They don't seem to have it, but we have this version of the cable. I forget what this is called. We have this version as well. I forget what this is called. I need to remember. And then you have 3.5 millimeter, so you can just record the timecode as audio, as well as a USB-C to USB-C. And then we've got little Velcro things that you can also mount to your camera, so that way you don't have to screw it in or to any parts of your camera. So it looks like if you have a Sony camera, you'll have to purchase a separate cable because these do not include that cable type. So let me know what questions you have about these bad boys. That's cool. You press the button and it opens up. We'll do a timecode test versus the DD and the Tentacle Sync as well, and show you kind of what my thoughts are. So comment below any questions you have so we can make that happen. Subscribe to notifications. Follow me at Shervin. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.